Hello everybody, hope you're having a great day. This is Joseph for Pio. I want to do a quick tutorial on how to create a bootable USB Mojave installer. This works for Catalina, works for every version of OS. The commands are the same. I've actually wanted to do this tutorial for a long time because there's so many people who've always been contacting me, and they want to find out how do I create a bootable USB flash drive to install Mojave, to install Catalina. And it has been too much. I decided to do one reference video, which I'll always be referring everyone to. But still, one thing that I'm sure of is this: by the time you've found this video, by the time you've tried to watch this video, it's because maybe you've had a few times when you've wanted to update your Mac, maybe to a higher version of macOS, and maybe you've been doing it a few times, and maybe you also want to make a fresh install, and several times it's so hard to do a fresh install because nowadays it's hard for you to get a bootable image that you can directly write onto your flash drive. So I decided to do a quick tutorial just to help you. So I'm going to do this tutorial using Mojave, the installer image for Mojave. It's actually located in my applications. If I could open up my Mac very fast here, I go to applications, scroll down, here it is. So I want to create an installer drive, an installer flash disk, an installer drive for Mojave. So how I'll do it is, first thing I'll do is I'll plug my flash drive into my USB, and hopefully it will show up on the desktop. So yes, it's here. Currently it's high range boot CD152, but I want to format it to Mac format. So I'll open up disk utility. Here's my flash drive. I'm going to erase it. Make sure you give it a name that is understandable. Change the format to macOS extended journaled, and make sure this is GUID partition map, and choose erase. Give it some time. It's going to format it, rename it, and show it on your desktop once again. Okay, it's done formatting the flash drive. So I'll just close this up, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up terminal. Let me just make the font size big enough for us to see. So I have my terminal here, I have my flash drive, and I have my macOS Mojave install image. So I'll just right click on the image. I choose show package contents, click on contents, click on resources. So what I actually need is this createinstallmedia file. So I'll come into my terminal, type in sudo, leave a space, drag in this. So it should point it to this location, applications, install macOS Mojave app, applications, install macOS Mojave.app, contents, resources, install media. Then after that I have to point it to the drive which I want it to install in. So I'll use that with _volume. Then I'll drag in this drive. Then after that, because I do not want it to keep asking me to accept, do whatsoever, click this way, click the other, press Y, I'll just choose no interaction. After doing that, just hit enter. It will ask you for your password, enter your password. And after doing that, it's going to reformat your flash disk again. And then after that, it will copy the image into the flash disk. Okay, here we are. We're actually done writing the image to our flash drive. We can safely unplug it and use it to install to any machine we want, even do updates on any machine that you want. But it's mainly good for fresh installs. If you want to do a clean install, this is the best method you can use. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And also please leave a like if this video has been helpful to you. Show me some love. Thank you very much.